Hello and welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. Government to shift IT park from Taleigao to Chimbel to allot 4.5 square meters land for IT park. Government plans electronic city at Tuem in Pedne. Mapping of private forest again. Govt report far-reaching for Goa. Mining companies never encroach on forest. Principal CCF speaks in head-on. Government renews 8 more leases on Monday, 6 of Chocolates and each of GM Agarwal and Pandurang Timlo. Tally of renewed leases reaches to 21. Aerocoach factory at Betara Industrial Estate gutted in fire. 90% of factory turns into ashes. Exact reason of fire not known. Loss worth several crores. And top athletes give suggestion to help India become sports superpower. ONGC Athletic Championship commence at Bambore. And now the news in detail. Government has decided to shift IT park from Taleigao to Chimbel at Kadamba Plateau. Government will allot 4.5 lakh square meters land for IT park. Government is also planning to set up an electronic city at Tuem in Pedne. CM Parsekar made this announcement while speaking to media after inaugurating e-governance leadership meet at Panji.
4.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा चिंबल कदंबा पाठाराचेर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आहा तेच्या फाटल्यान आसा आनी थंय शासनान IT पार्क करपाचो निर्णय घेतला आनी ताच्या शिवाय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी ही तुवेंत करप ESDM इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम डिझायन मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग अशी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी करता जेतून अंदाज 10,000 सुमार जॉब्स तयार जावंक शकता 4-5 ऑफिसर्सांक घेवन येता त्या प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस एक मीट आसा गुजरातान येता त्या 7, 8 आनी 9 तारखेक जेका राष्ट्रीय आमचे पंतप्रधानूय येतात तेका हांव वता.
Parsekar on Monday inaugurated 2-day e-governance leadership meet at Panji. The meet was organized by IT Corporation as a part of National E-Governance Plan. The meet focuses on educating government employees and lawmakers to adopt to more e-governance services and use the existing ones. The meet will also highlight the e-governance services adopted by the neighboring states. Parsekar urged that he will need support from the MLAs to enforce e-governance in the state administration.
We can do it. And therefore, the support and mandate of this group is very important.
आमकां एक सोय जाल्ली आहा आमकां कागद पयल्या बरोबर आमकां सूक लागना कागद पळोवपा जाय नोटी पळोवपा जाय नोटी मेजपाक जाय फायलींग हात लावपा जाय फायली ऑफिसांतले त्या ऑफिसान वयपा जाय एक मोठे डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटा ते आमचे PWD सबन सिस्टम तेंची इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जायत ई गव्हर्नन्सांनी फायल सुरू जाता ती भायर सरता ती ट्रॅक करे येता आयज ती खंय पावता ते कोणाकूच खबर नासता आमदार फायली सदीत भोंवतात सगळे कडेन.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Mapping of private forest will be e-tendered again. Landowner will get at least 20 to 30% forest land for development under the new process. Former Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Richard D'Souza spoke to Prudent in our weekly program Head On. He said Govt report on Western Ghats is too far-reaching and not feasible for Goa. He also cleared that mining companies never encroached upon forest area.
What about the Govt report? Which report do you find more sensible and practical?
Govt report was overreaching. I mean, emphasizing too many things. It had a buffer zone which was more than 5 kilometers. I mean, in 5 kilometers, you can imagine with a sanctuary like Salim Ali, then you cannot do any development in Panjim also. So, Govt report was too far-reaching. Kasturi Rangan has diluted much portions of it, but those portions which the Goa government feels it is uncomfortable with, they can very well approach the centre. No, mining companies never encroached any forest area. and the most they did was they could have put overburden on the forest side. Not encroachment is
Nobody went and excavated into forest.
No. Because private forest was as per the guidelines of the Supreme Court. We have to identify areas irrespective of ownership, whether they are got forest or not. Now to now only ocular estimates were done. Now we have decided, and NGT has also, we have given an assurance to the Green Tribunal that we will complete all this work in 2.5 years. So we are e-tendering the whole surveying process, in which you will be able to use at least 20 to 30% of your land. Only the higher reaches and slopes you will not be able to touch.
Mines Directorate has signed 8 more mining lease deeds with mining companies on Monday. This includes 6 of Chogle and 1 each of GM Agarwal and Pandurang Timblo. Earlier, department had signed 13 mining lease deeds with mining companies. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.